Well, this is the second time our bus is broken down. We're on our way to Nha Trang. I think this is the coolant. They don't have any coolant, so they're just putting water in the coolant tank. So we have to refill it every 3 hours or so. Not too bad. Just woke up from a nap, and I don't know, we'll be on our way soon. Alright, we're just finishing up here. We did some surfing on this little beach in Nha Trang, and just like, what, 3 or 4 footers? Yeah, smaller stuff, but it was totally worth it. Alright guys, the last time I have long hair. About to get a haircut because today we're at the beach, we're doing some surfing, and it was just getting in my face too much, and I'm about to go down to Bali for a week or two to do a lot of surfing, so just getting ready to clip. So the last time you'll see me with my long hair. I'm gonna get a little trim too. So this before, and then I'll show you the after. You know the list you made on the list you know. So today we're here at the waterfalls just north of Nha Trang. Exploring a little bit, gonna jump in, hopefully get a swim. All the way up there. I'll show you guys in a moment. Finishing up. Okay, so we're just finishing up here at the waterfalls. We're gonna go back into town. See if that's some of it behind me, and a bunch of it over there. Super fun. It's north of Nha Trang. I think it's like Bai Ho or something. It's just north of Nha Trang, like 25 kilometers, not more than I think 15 or so miles. You can just look it up online, look up waterfalls for Nha Trang, and you'll find it. You can get a scooter for $4, just ride it up there. That's super fun, totally worth it. I would definitely recommend checking it out. Alright, today we're just finishing up in Nha Trang at the rooftop bar. Pretty good view, having a couple drinks, just relax.